What is blocking my growth? Why is my mind running around? What are the 5 factors that is constantly dragging me down into this duality? Maharishi Patanjali has given solution to all the 5 kleshas known as the Pancha Kleshas. Avidya, Asmita, Raga, Dvesha, Abhinivesha, Pancha Klesha. These are the 5 klesh which is always giving us pain. You know what is the meaning of klesh? Klesh means afflictions. Afflictions means something which is giving us pain in the mind. In fact, Maharishi Patanjali makes it very clear that these are inborn afflictions of the mind. And thousands of years ago, he made it very clear that these factors are giving you pain, and this pain is even experienced in our generation. These rishis were so great, they decoded the mind in such a way. Maharishi Patanjali was known as the first psychologist who understood how the mind works, how the chitta works, and what is the solution to overcome this pain. Avidya means lack of knowledge. Now, according to Vedanta, what is lack of knowledge? Lack of knowledge is we don't know who we are, we don't know who others are, we don't know who God is. When Maharishi Patanjali talks about lack of knowledge, he's saying that you are the Purush and not the Prakriti. You are beyond the 3 gunas, you are that light which is pure consciousness. And the thing is, when we take the human body, we get entangled in this Prakriti and we identify ourselves. Asmita. Asmita means ego, which is a crucial point in everyone. We are entangled in our ego. There is something very interesting that I always say. It should not be ego, it should be I go. When you completely surrender yourself, that is the only moment you will realize who you are. Rag. Rag and Dvesh is something very important. Rag means attachment and Dvesh means aversion. Maharishi Patanjali says that they are the opposite sides of the same coin. Let me give you a very simple example is when you're very attached to someone, after a while you don't want them because it gets too much. At the same time, when you're pushing away someone, all the time you're thinking about them. They are the opposite sides of the same coin. And human behavior is such that we run after things just to get them, and once we have them, we don't want them. At the same time, we are pushing things away because of our own insecurities and fear. So Rag and Dvesha, they work together and at the same time. Because the thing that you don't want at times, you're thinking about it all the time, and the thing that you have it, you don't value it because you want to be away from it. Such great decode of the mind has been happened so many years ago, and yet we are entangled in it. And the last, which is the most important and which grows into everyone, is the fear of death, Abhinivesh. Here Maharishi Patanjali talks about 2 things. Fear of death is, I'm going to die. And many people say that I'm not scared of death, but I'm scared if someone dies in my family, if my dog dies, or if someone very close to me dies, that is also fear of death. Secondly, the meaning is fear of not being there. That means the fear of not being constant. For example, even if you die, your name should be there, your presence should be there, and fear of not being lonely. So when Abhinivesh can be decoded in many, many ways, but fear of death is one of the most important points. So these are the 5 klesh which are constantly acting on you and giving you pain and duality in this reality. However, Maharishi Patanjali has given a very simple solution. Once you have the answer for the first one, that is Avidya, once you gain knowledge of who you are, who others and who God is, automatically the 4 will dissolve and you will realize that you are the Purush. Small techniques to change your life, apply it, and I always say again and again, if you want to understand the mind, Maharishi Patanjali has given all the solution from Samadhi till how to operate in this reality. Hari Om Tat Sat.